This is a truck. Trucks are really, really heavy. $1,000 for a challenge. We're out here on the salt flats. We're gonna put the truck into neutral. We're gonna tie some chains to the front, and whoever can run with it the farthest in 5 minutes wins $1,000. Oh wow. Come back!
We only have 200 miles to get back home.
It's $1,000! Come on! My name is Christopher Claflin.
And I'm Rush Mills.
Yeah, okay, so this is an F-150 Raptor. Rush, how much does that truck weigh?
I have no idea.
He doesn't know, but I do. This truck weighs 5,500 pounds stock. $1,000 to whoever can. We're gonna put the truck into neutral. We're gonna tie some chains to the front, and whoever can run with it the farthest in 5 minutes wins $1,000. Oh wow. We're gonna hook it up first, and then we're gonna like flip a coin to see who goes first. The Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah is one of the few places on planet Earth that offers miles of naturally flat terrain, which makes it a perfect place to just joyride. And it makes it a perfect place for this challenge. How far are you gonna make it?
In 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
1 mile. Just kidding. Yeah.
So we got to figure out who's gonna go first. So Erica, pick a number between 1 and 20.
Okay.
You have a number?
Mm-hmm.
7.
14.
It was 18.
Oh!
What does that mean? You go first or last?
I don't know. I guess it's probably better to go last,
I mean-
maybe. Yeah.
because then you know what the standard is. Okay, so we go again.
Okay.
Pick another number between 1 and 20.
How about 1 and 100?
1 and 100.
Okay, got it.
7.
Okay.
56.
It was 65.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'm going first.
Rush is going first.
All right, let's put this thing in neutral.
So Archer's driving.
Yeah,
I
I
know.
just made a mess in here. Look at this.
Oh, Archer.
Okay.
Archer, why you make so many messes? Did you make a mess? Did you make a mess? Who made a mess? Who made a mess, Archer? He's like, it was me.
Here's me.
I'm gonna set a timer for Rush for 5 minutes. Are you ready?
Yes. 1 second.
Set.
Go.
Go!
Yeah, I just gotta get the momentum. And it's slippery too. No!
He's moving it!
I thought this would be easier. It's not.
Dude, it's $1,000! 4 minutes left.
What? Okay.
You gotta build momentum.
I know. Holy crap. How far?
2 minutes 50 seconds. Okay, this is not how I expected this to go. I thought he would have it up to speed by now.
What are we at?
2:02.
202.
2 minutes to go.
What? Does it look like I go far?
No.
What? My back hurts.
It's embarrassing, honestly. Embarrassing. In all truthfulness, this is a really hard challenge.
Oh no.
The high exertion of each step forward is consuming oxygen faster than the body can actually bring it in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 minutes. What's your distance?
3/4 of a mile.
What's the actual distance? What does it say?
.11.
0.11. 0.11 is the distance I gotta beat
Ow!
for $1,000. How do you feel?
My calves hurt. After 1 minute, I was like, oh. Before I knew it was a minute, I thought I made it halfway through.
Rush is backing the truck up to the same starting point. 0.1 miles, I think, is all he did. That's all I have to beat. Hey, are you ready to time me?
Yes, let's see it. Set. Go!
Here we go.
Come on!
Wait, is it neutral?
No, I put it in park.
Archer was driving, that's why.
Okay,
Let me know.
ready, set, go! All right, Chris. I was hoping that you weren't just able to go for whatever reason, but still looks like the case, so we're good. Come on, Chris! Oh my gosh. Oh, you're moving it pretty good.
It's hard to get it up to speed.
I know. You're 1 minute and 20 seconds in.
Oh, Archer is heavy.
This looks pretty cool. Oh boy.
That was the wrong move. No! Ah.
How you feeling, Chris?
I'm done. I think I might beat you.
Don't you just want to quit?
I want to quit. I don't want to quit. Almost my time.
4, 3, 2, 1, time! Wow, I think you beat me. What'd you get?
0.15.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna throw up. Jeez. How do you feel?
Like a loser.
Alright.
I feel like, I don't know. I went all about that all wrong. Oh well.
Where'd you mess up?
I messed up at the beginning trying to pull it, I think. And then I think holding it up here, there just wasn't enough, I don't know, it wasn't the right angle because I didn't have enough grip to actually lean forward. I think you having it around the waist, you were able to move your arms and like have more movement, and I was just sitting there like a little dinosaur.
T-Rex.
T-Rex, hurting too much.
Oh, where is the drone? Oh, holy
What?
It's returning to home.
Chris has crashed 2 drones today. One of them, this one, he ran into me.
It's true. This trip was a bad trip for drones. Yeah, subscribe for more. We got a crazy race on the way.
We have a lot of fun challenges coming up. So
like this video, subscribe. See you next time.